Right, we need to work this out, and we should follow the rules BIDMAS, so we always start with brackets. So we clear the brackets first. So we have this is equal to 3 over 8 divided by, now we want a common denominator of 12. So here's application of equivalent fractions. Multiply 2 over 3 both by the numerator and the denominator by 4 to give us 8 over 12, and in this case we multiply both top and bottom, numerator and denominator, by 3 to get 3 over 12. So now we have a common denominator. We can add these two fractions by adding their numerators. So we have 3 over 8, and that's divided by 11 over 12. And that becomes a multiplication. We just flip to become, and it becomes 12 over 11. So that's our new problem. So it's 3 over 8 multiplied by 11 over 12. We cancel diagonally here by dividing by 4. 4 2s, 4 3s. So we have 9 in the numerator, 3 3s are 9, and 11 2s, 22 in the denominator. 9 and 22 do not have any common factors greater than 1 in common. So this is the lowest simplification we can make. Here's our next problem. First, again, we clear the brackets. We want a common denominator of 21 just by multiplying 7 by 3, and we know that. So if we multiply top and bottom of 4 over 7 by 3, we'll have a common denominator of 21. So that'd be 12 over 21 and 7 over 21. These are equivalent fractions to the ones above. And now, instead of dividing by 3 and 4/5, we must turn this into an improper fraction. So that's 5 3s 15 and 4 19 over 5. But we'll multiply by 5 over 19. Now this gives us 19 over 21. And now we're multiplying by 5 over 19. As you can see, we can cancel 19 with 19, and we're left with 5 over 21 as our final answer. Again, we're unable to simplify this any further because there are no common factors of 5 and 21 that are greater than 1. Here again, we clear the brackets first, so we have 5 over 9. Want a common denominator of 6. So we'll multiply the first fraction here, 2 over 3, by 2, which gives us 4 over 6. This remains the same. And now we have 5 over 9. Brackets mean multiply, so we're actually multiplying here by the fraction 5 over 9. This will give us 3 over 6, which is the same as a half. And this simplifies to 5 over 18. We clear the brackets yet again. We want a common denominator of 22. So this means this becomes 12 over 22, and this becomes 11 over 22. Now, instead of dividing by 3 over 4, we'll multiply by 4 over 3. This now is equal to 1 over 22 times 4 3. We can divide here by 2. Now we have in the numerator, we have 2 times 1 is 2, and in the denominator 11 times 3, 33. Here's a tricky question. What percentage of a quarter is 1/5? How do we get started? Well, one way of doing this is to use algebra and also to interpret percentages as fractions. So let's call the fraction that we'll use, we'll call it x, to represent the percentage or the fraction of a quarter. So we know that x of a quarter, of means multiply, x of a quarter is equal to 1/5. So now we've translated what we have here in English to something mathematical. So this is saying a quarter of x is equal to 1/5. And we can find what x is. X, if we multiply, if we cross multiply, we have 4/5. X is equal to 4/5. So this is our fraction, which represents the percentage of a quarter, that is 1/5. To convert this to a percentage, we multiply by 100. So our percentage now is 4/5 times 100, which gives us 400/5, which gives us 80%. So that's the answer. What percentage of a quarter is 1/5? 80%. And that's it. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Alistair. If you have any questions or comments, please send them to me. Don't forget to like, follow, or subscribe for more videos like this. Bye for now.